Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another awesome weight loss video for you today. Now if you want to learn how to lose weight fast off your body, I want to show you a very easy detox concoction that you can make in the morning, and it's going to help strip your liver of all of that fat. It's going to slim down your stomach. It's going to strip down and melt the visceral fat in your belly area and get rid of extra fatty liver, okay? So we're going to heal our liver so we can process foods better and shed the weight faster. This drink is going to boost your energy, boost your metabolism, boost your immune system, and it's going to get you to burn off the calories faster. So let's get into the video now. What you're going to need is black seed oil. Okay, now black seed oil has 101 wonderful healing benefits to the body, and one of them is weight loss. This is also what's going to help to boost your metabolism and get your body going. We're also going to be working with our Bragg's apple cider vinegar. Now you can use any type of apple cider vinegar as long as it has the mother in it and it's not pasteurized and it's not filtered. We're also going to be working with 1 liter of water. And we're going to use 1 tablespoon of our black seed oil. Simple, quick, and easy. Now what you're going to do is you're going to use 2 tablespoons of your Bragg's apple cider vinegar. But you know what? Before we use that, let's shake up all of that goodness that's at the bottom. Okay? Because that's the benefit part. Alright. 2 tablespoons, and usually what I do is I use 2 tablespoons in 8 ounces of water, but if you want you can even add 3 in this. Okay, lastly we're going to juice the whole lemon, because the lemon is also a very important active ingredient. It has peptide in it. It's going to help to suppress your appetite, and this way you consume less calories throughout the day. Now what you're going to do is find a big enough mug to put this in, and you sip this throughout the morning, okay? Drink this every morning on an empty stomach throughout the morning. What you can do, if you don't want to put your black seed oil in here, you can take it on the side and then make your concoction drink and drink it. But this is also what helped me to lose 50 pounds without exercising, and in a very short span of time. Only thing I didn't do was add the black seed oil in it. But this is a wonderful weight loss concoction that's going to take your weight loss to another limit. It's going to get you going. It's going to boost you up with energy. You're going to be vibrant. Your skin is going to start glowing. You're going to see the weight coming off of your body, especially in the stomach area. All right, so incorporate this every day in your morning routine, and you're going to see the benefits of this wonderful concoction. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Check out my other videos down in the playlist. I have wonderful weight loss videos down there. Check them out. Different recipes for your arsenal. Also check down below for the links for the personal size blenders, the full size blenders, and the reusable straws, as well as other items. And also check over to my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare videos, fashion hauls, and more. Okay, so you guys, thanks for joining me on this wonderful video, and don't forget, your auntie and big sis loves you, and I will see you again in the next weight loss video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.